My name's Primrose. I'm 69. I was diagnosed with bowel cancer last May, stage 3. When I was on the chemotherapy, it really hit me quite hard. And I went across to the Maggie Centre and they put me in touch with the Macmillan Walks. I found it really good. They're really friendly. A lot of the people on the walk either had cancer, had treatment, that type of thing, so you could speak to them and knew what you were talking about. So that was really quite good. And it was just for me to get up, because I was feeling tired with the chemotherapy and that, you felt to get up and get out and do something. And I really found it quite good. And the volunteers that do the walks are brilliant. A lot of them have had cancer themselves, so they know what they're talking about. I'm still going through, I've done all the chemotherapy and all the rest of the bits, but I'm still getting CT scans and things like that. So hopefully, I've got my fingers crossed that they're all coming back negative, so that's good. Gets you up and moving, to get out and do things. And as I'll say about the walking group, socially it's really very good. Certainly recommend this walk at Dawson Park really for anybody who's going through treatment or any other illness that they feel they could be helped with, and get the support of the volunteers.